Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Crafting with Holly. I just wanted to pop in here very quickly before the weekend escapes and share with you the Gnomes for Autumn scrapbooking and card making stamps and thin cuts. And then this adorable Gnomes for Autumn thin cut, which is this fabulous die right here. It is so substantial, you guys. I can't even believe how big this beautiful little gnome is. And look at these adorable gnomes that you can create using the paper found in the Gnomes for Autumn collection. So I used the pattern paper for her dress, and then I just used the coordinating cardstock featuring some new colors, you guys. We have a brand new pumpkin color. We have a brand new acorn color, and then the green is also new. And it is escaping me right now, but I should know it. Anyway, we have some brand new colors at close to my heart, and they gave us a sneak peek in the month of August. So I hope you've grabbed them. They're finally back in stock, and there are coordinating re-inkers with them as well. So she is adorable, and I'm going to show you a sneak peek without sharing too much. Tina Lovell, my dear, dear friend, created a fabulous non-autumn kit, and I created some adorable little gnomes to accent on there for those of you that do want more of an autumn theme for them. And doesn't she just look so cute on there? So that's one of the layouts. There is an incredible guide that she has created that you will get from me when you purchase any of the Gnomes for Autumn products. And look at this other one. Isn't she so precious? And I love how the papers coordinate together, and they look absolutely beautiful when you layer them on top of each other. And I'm going to share with you one more. I went to town, like I think I made 8 or 9 of these adorable, adorable little gnomes. And so here's another one. You can put her in the place of the photo well, and she just makes a beautiful statement on there. So my dear friend Tina made a 4-page, double-page scrapbooking workshop with that paper. And there's actually 2 workshops. She created one for the corporate office, which you can find on my website, hollymv.ctmh.com. Go up here where it says Gnomes for All Seasons and Autumn, and you will see the paper collections. You can get the paper pack with stickers. You can get just the paper. This is the stamp with the thin cut. You can also, I think you can get the stamp set without the thin cut, which is $19.95. The thin cut cuts all of these images that are outlined in blue. There is a sentiment for cards, and then there's that fabulous gnome I was just showing you. There's some cork shapes, and then there's some bundles that you can purchase that you get a deeper discount when you buy the bundle. And then there's a workshop kit that is also discounted for the scrapbooking workshop and card making. And you can get it with or without the thin cuts. They're a little bit cheaper if you don't want to do those. But I wanted to show you when you click on the scrapbooking workshop, you will then be able to see the pages. And Tina designed these for the corporate office. So you can make these 3. One is a single page and the other 3 are double pages. So it's 4 pages, but 3 of them are doubles. 12 by 12s, and look at how she used that adorable gnome right there on that page. So cute. Anyway, there is a guide for that too, but then like I said, I also have this other guide that she created that is really non-autumn-ish. It's more summer-ish, which is great. And then I also wanted to share with you the card making workshop and just some really cute, I use these together to make these 2 cards. And I have to give a shout out to Liz Johnson, one of the other makers out there. She shared these cards and they were so beautiful. I had to scrap lift them right away. She used a different sentiment on hers, but I used the one from this set. And these are just so cute. I love this paper so much, and I just love how simple and easy they came together. So I wanted to pop in here, share with you this special. It's going on now through the end of September, and it's just a great time to get these products before they sell out and make some beautiful gnomes. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Have a great weekend.